Hello guys, welcome to my channel Ismail Bajarla. In this video, we are going to learn the constraint auto increment. All the links and codes are in the description below. Please do check it out. Coming to the auto increment constraint, it allows the unique number to generate automatically. While we inserting the data into the table, we do not need to give the input for a column. It automatically generates the sequence number for that column for primary key. By default, its starting value is 1 and it incremented by value of 1. If you want, we can change it, and this is the auto increment on create table. As all link constraints, we need to specify auto increment after the column, and that column must be a primary key. We mentioned the primary key at the end of the column, and we mentioned the auto increment column after the data type of that column. And here we need to alter the command. That means the auto increment sequence starts with 1. If you want to change with another sequence, suppose I want to start it from 100 or 200, I can write alter table, the table name, and auto increment. We need to specify the value. So here, for example, I have taken 100. If you need to start from 200, you can do it. And dropping a auto increment is not possible in MySQL. So we need to drop the whole column in MySQL. To use our database, write database query as Ismail Bajarla. Run this query and create the table. So create table. Table name is students, and my first column is roll number. It is an integer and not null also. So I want to make the roll number as primary key. So I want to insert the constraint auto increment for this column only. So write auto underscore increment. The underscore is very important for that. And write last name. It is a varchar of 255. And then first name. It is also a varchar of 255. And the age with the integer. So we need to mention the primary key. As you know, we didn't mention any primary key here. So I'm going to mention at the last column as primary key in braces roll number. Okay, let's run this query. Here we go, our table is successfully created. Now I want to check using the describe query. So write describe and the table name is students. Here we got, there is an extra column or it is an extra constraint for this column, so it shows at the extra column. Okay, now let's insert the data to check auto increment is working or not. So insert into students, and we need to mention only these three columns because we have set the roll number as auto increment. So last name, comma, first name and age. Write values as my last name is Ismail, then Bajarla, then my age. Okay, let's run this query. Okay, it got successfully created. Now run the select query to check it out. Select star from students. Here we got our roll number is start from 1. Last name, first name and age is present over there. So our auto increment is successfully working. So now I want to change the sequence from 0 to 100. So for that we need to write the query as alter table students, and here auto increment will set to 100. We don't need to mention the column name of that table. So let's run this query, and here we got. And now we again insert somewhat data. So I insert a change in the same query with 23 and run this query. We got insert the data and now run the select command to check our data. Here we got 100. If we insert in another value, it takes the data from 101 and 102. Okay, we run this insert query and let's run this also. We got from 101 and 102 all the sequence here. That means our alter is successfully working. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share this video and subscribe to Ismail Bajarla.